Like here, it's time for another Blitz Tank Stats Challenge. Let's go and see what we've got on the board. Okay, so it looks like I'm in 3 active challenges at the moment. We've got Scout Series 1, which is stuck waiting for KVO7 to play, I think. Goldberg's already played his, so can't do that one. We've got Maximum Destruction, which, okay, so I'm in round 1 there. And it looks like Mo has played, so why not do this one? Let's have a look at the other one first. That's a T8 any damage, so that's a round-based one. Hit and Win is the sharpshooter. We're ready to go in the final with that one. Again, I'm playing against Mo there, so let's start with the damage one, see how we get on. So it's T8. Let's go in and we'll start that one off. If we win, we'll go forward to play Princess in Leia, which should be good. So let's start the game off. Okay, so we're all tracking there. So we'll close that off. And let's just open it up onto the actual challenge itself, and then that way we can refresh, we'll get the results straight back. So it's basically a tier 8 any damage challenge, so we just need to do as much damage each round as we can, and it's best out of 3, so if you win in 2 games then you go through. So let's switch into the game. Of course, that leads me to choose what tank we need, doesn't it? So we'll have a look at our tier 8s. It looks like we've got a T69 on birthday, so I haven't taken that out for a while, so let's give that one a go. Why not? Let's give it a whirl. Okay, so we're on Faust. I quite like the Faust map. It's got lots of avenues to go up and down, which is good. And we're double platooning here. Not always a great to be not platoons in these, but let's have a look at this. Just keep an eye on the tanks again. So we've got a T49, a P43 on their side. It looks like our meds have they've all gone one way, which is never great. I'm a big believer in that you need to hold at least. Need to hold something out. They've all gone. And they're split, so at least we can maybe make some advantage from that. Maybe I'm going to go on the outside here. We're not on supremacy, so let's try and take out some of these dangerous tanks. Less mobile, like the SU. Get my triple loader in, do some good damage. Not get hit by this SU here. It's going to be here somewhere. Where is he? He's 1, 2, 3. Didn't do too much damage to me. Nice 5 shot there. Let's go by him. Oh! Oh, I can't believe it. It's our team of sloths. I wasn't looking at my HP then, never mind. ISVs can do it, come on. 2 strong tanks. The Panther 2 is a one shot. Go forward. What are they doing? Grab him. What HE? Anything? He's only got 13. I don't know, we've got the cookie cutters on the opposite side. Good clan. I didn't need that, do we? I've been destroyed by Steph P. I think he killed me as well, actually. So let's not the best damage that in the world, to be honest. For tier 8, it's pretty poor. So let's go and have a quick look on the website and we'll see if we've got through. We'll see how we've done in that first game. Let's just refresh this page here. I'm expecting really this to be a one for Mo. No, there we go. It was close, but I'm one up, so okay, that's good. Unexpected, but good. Right, let's change back. T69 again. Still his birthday. Let's try and get some. Yes, why not? Have another go in it. I didn't get a good outing that time. It's not bad. Not got a bad gun. It's a triple loader. Its armor's a bit meh, but it's a bit like the T54 E1, which is the higher tier version of it. It's not ideally a frontline tank. It's good in support. And again, we're down tiered here, so there's no platoons messing it up there like we had last time. Those 2 IS-3s cost us that. Went completely the wrong way. Oh, what's interesting? It's an interesting proposition. Straight on the base, playing the base play. But very rarely ever see a base play work on this unless you're in tiers 2 and 3 or something. Don't let them come. Not giving ground. I need to get some damage on the board. Could go around that way, so we'll look. Pop somewhere in him. So let's head up with the parapet. Can't see them there. Got one of these. These rocket tanks. Fortunately, it got rid of the cover from there, didn't it? Oh, didn't manage to kill him. I shouldn't have given up ground on the side, but didn't let us through. Destined to defeat, I think, in the LT69 tonight. But who knows? That might be enough for us to get through. It wasn't too bad a performance, was it? Let's have a look at the team sheets again. Let's just a quick look at that. Yeah, unfortunately, there's only so much you can do. The team really didn't help there. A Rum scoring 6 obviously got taken out. Our T49 just got vaporised, didn't he, by the ISU. And T92 didn't do very well. That's the only thing with the missiles. But, interesting how that worked out. But let's go and have a quick look at the website again, and we'll see where we are in the challenge. Hopefully we've done enough to get through. Let's have a look. Oh, 3 for shit. And there we go, we've won 2-0. So it looks like he had a good game in his third game, but I did enough for the first 2. So it's the benefit of it being blind. You don't have any pressure on you. You can just play. Okay, that's cool. So we're 3 in 2 rounds, which is it's good. So we're on to the next level. So that's great. We'll maybe do that in the next showing. Okay. So great. It's been a quick one today, just 2 battles, but we got through to the next round, which is excellent. So we'll see you for the next one. Cheers. Thanks a lot.